forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
All right, we had a few little sprinkles, little patches of drizzle and light showers here over the past few hours, but the heavy snow thankfully has stayed up here. We've had upwards of 6-8 inches from Iowa to Wisconsin today with all the wind around. Now overnight tonight, a couple little snow flurries are possible, mainly from about Earl Park, Monticello to about Royal Center and northward in the northern part of the viewing area. Now this low is pulling away. The cold air will eventually pull away. Then it's clear, windy, and warm for a while. This storm will roll down the Pacific coastline around the bend in Southern California. There'll be a second one just like this, and they're all headed our way with Gulf moisture and rain and storms next week, and then a big cool down and a lot of wind in this forecast. And speaking of that, wind, and more wind. In fact, every day looks windy pretty much really tonight through about the next 8 days. A few flurries north tonight, and we'll have a little brief cold snap. Now that'll be tomorrow, and tomorrow night's going to be cold. Then it warms up in a big way. Big temperature swing will be near 70 early next week with rain and storms. Perhaps some pretty widespread significant rainfall. Tonight though, right around 30 area wide, 31 Lafayette, 31 Pine Village, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow a chilly day. Quite a few clouds, some sun mixing in. 43 Monticello, Burlington, only 45 for the high in Lafayette, 42 at Morocco, and still fairly windy tomorrow. We could get some gusts over 30 miles an hour at times. Clouds will totally clear out tomorrow night. The winds will calm down somewhat. That will tank the temp. 24 Winnemac for the low, 25 Monticello, down to Lafayette and Crawfordsville, down 231, and 27 at Logansport. Warmer here because the clouds will hang on a little bit longer in our eastern counties. A couple flurries, there you have it. In the north tonight, still some cloudiness around tomorrow, some sun mixing in from time to time before we totally clear out tomorrow night. And that's what will lead to that cold night actually, down in the 20s. Windy, 45 tomorrow. Windy on Friday, 52. For the Boilermaker Buckeye matchup on Saturday, a windy day, 59 for the high, warmer, 61 Sunday, then pushing 70 on Tuesday with rain and storms, and then sharply colder, 41 Wednesday with a few rain and snow showers, with a couple powerhouse storms coming through next week, and we could easily get a good 1 to 2 inches of rain perhaps out of that. So substantial rainfall, a lot of wind, some storms, and a major warm up and a major cool down in what is a very active November forecast.
It really is. And just to think we are going to get warmer, but outside tonight, so cold.
Yeah, it's rough. About 41. Wind chills will stay in the 20s throughout the evening.
Yeah, this time of year, though, we'll take the rain, right?
That's right.
For sure. Okay, thanks,
Yeah.
Jen. Well, the news keeps rolling out of Penn State. Mike Clef's in the